Hi everyone, my name is Shoaib Kilkar and welcome back to the Funway coding channel. Today I'm recording my newest video for Firebase extensions and you will love to know what I have been packed into this wonderful video. So let's get started. So today we'll be covering adding the Summarize text extension into a Flutter app through Firebase. Summarize text extension by Palm API is a Firebase extension and we will now I'll show you how to do this. So let me first open my Firebase console. I'm gonna go to my project overview. So before I have shown you in the previous video, the first video, which was in translate text, I have shown you how to activate the Blaze plan. So I'll not do this again because I already have activated it here. But what I'll do is I'll go into my Firebase database and I'll create a collection known as second. Copy this. And next, auto ideate, have nothing, might have text, and that's all. Great. Now I'm going to go to the extensions here. It's a shortcut. If you use it too many times, if you go to build and you keep on using these, you get a shortcut automatically. I'm going to go there. And this is for the project I'm going to show you afterwards, but I'm going to scroll down and click on explore extensions. Then we will search here, summarize. Here we are, it's right there, and we'll install it. So we'll click so what here we to choose is which project you want to install the extension into. I'm going to choose this one and say next, 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 next. And for this one, do not do anything here unless you actually have, like if you see here, then if you do have an API key, then otherwise with collection name I'm going to put as my second, so it'll be installed into the second collection like they did. So in Firebase database, it'll be this extension will help us only in the second extension, second collection. Text will text, yes, summary is perfect. We can even put output, meaning it won't make a difference anyway. And yeah, I'm gonna say it's in London because I'm in London right now, and that's okay. And I'm gonna install this extension. So it'll take around 3 to 5 minutes. So after 3 to 5 minutes, it'll be done. After the extension has been installed, we'll click get started. Now you can see here how to use this extension and tells us how it works. You see here, and I know we're going to go in extension configuration and you can reconfigure the extension. Suppose you want to change this collection name to a different collection. Obviously you can do that. Now instead I want to reconfigure extension and say I want to change this back to summary. Then it'll just take some like a while and I do it first. I'm not going to do this right now. So this is good. Let me now show you an example. So if I go to my Firebase database and go into second here, and in this text I'm going to put in some random things about whatever. Go on cloud so and I'm going to update it. Update field, and I'm going to say put this value in. Now this text has been given. Oh. Yeah, now the output is there. The output is a summary now. This is what, so from this much text we have been given a summary of this much, which is what the summary text will do. It will also give us if it's health, so what categories come. Does it come out as health, toxic, what? And it'll give us a score for each of those categories. And this is how the extension works. Now let me show you one demo of what I have done in my Flutter app. Since you need to, so what I did or what I was doing is that I deleted everything except for the text and then put it back. I updated the text. Let me show you my code actually. It'll be easier. You can see here, this is my code. which I'll put eventually on GitHub as well. I'll show you the GitHub link as well. And you can see here, first I am, when you press the button, I'll show you actually. Let me run this. It should be running. Here we are. So this is this text. I want to summarize. The play button. So what I'm doing here is that when you press this button to send, the text will automatically delete the summary field, the status, and the metadata, and then it'll update the text field. And then when the text are updated, the fields will be added back into the document, and we'll get a summarized there. So you can say, you can see this code here. I'm deleting through this field value delete the field, then I'm deleting the field, like adding it, like updating it here, and summary here, and if I clear the text. So I'm going to show you a demo. The demo is here we are. So if I was to now go here and do this, and let's say if I say something about what could I think about? I could talk about how is the lithium. Let's look at lithium. Okay, some random math. Man, let's now take a huge bunch of text for it to summarize. Here we are, random text. Put in here and press now next. It takes a while, but it will soon be turned. So again, takes a while. Here we are, and it gives us the first rechargeable lithium-ion battery, blah blah blah, and this is what we've got. And now I can just clear it, and I can put in my next text to summarize. So this is a very easy app to display and use the summarize text extension by Palm API. So I'll be now. This is the end of this video. If you got any questions, put it in the you can just chat on YouTube. So bye for now. Bye.